What's good, guys? You guys see the freaking truck is in the garage? I have a light on my head so you see that. But who would have thought big old truck fit in my garage? Yes, it's a mess right now. 2 bikes, bunch of plywood. I'll be using that for my driveway because the fusion's lowered. Shitty ass window that I'm not even gonna get into. Lawnmower. I gotta clean it this summer for sure. But the truck's in here because the other day it was raining super bad and I couldn't see out of the deal. Because it was all foggy and my heat works, but it wasn't making this window visible. So I rolled down. All of a sudden the freaking window don't roll back up and my gauges don't work. Electric locks won't work. So I'm like, what the fuck? And it was still raining, so I got home. I had to clean this. The wood and stuff was all over there. And, oh, it was a mess. So I had to do that all fast. You guys see I put a trash bag in there because I was going to cover this. That obviously didn't work. So I ended up cleaning this. Got it in here, and it's just been in here for a day and a half now. And I tested the alternator with this this little tester thing. And it says low output. And then it had a real dim light on normal output, and then all 3 of the battery lights were on. So I went and just picked my battery up because I dropped it off so it could charge. So I'm about to put my battery back in and see what happens, and then, you know, if it's still doing the same crap, then that's the culprit right there, which I think water must have got in it or something. You guys see there's like liquid right there. I don't know if that could be it. So hopefully we figure this out. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new alternator or something. But I kind of got a trick for stuff like that. I got a starter under warranty, so you guys seen that in one of my last videos. I'm probably gonna get this battery put in, and then I'll bring you guys back, see what the deal is. This battery's fucked. You guys see that bolt? It was like that when I got the truck. I just haven't went and got a new battery. I was gonna ask AutoZone if they had those bolts. I forgot though. So got this one put in, and then I hate the negative because it's so small. I have an 8, but the freaking ratchet I'm using is too big, so it don't fit right there. And I don't have an 8 wrench. I got that one. Come on, man. Let me just bring you guys back once I get the battery on. There we go. All plugged in. And I could already tell it's not gonna be any different. Oh shoot, the gauges work. Damn, what's the deal? Woo-hoo-hoo. Well, that kind of fixed my problem. See. Psych. So gas gauge works. Everything works. I think we just fixed my problem, boys.
Psych! You thought!
Man, I'm glad I don't have to get a freaking alternator. Woo-woo! You guys seen? It wasn't the alternator. Well, I hope not. So this video is probably going to be battery or alternator. If I even post it, I'm not sure yet. And if I do, if you guys see it, then thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was probably like a maybe 5-minute video. I don't know yet. Probably going to do a whole video on my truck pretty soon. Just walking around it, showing under the motor, interior, stuff like that. I mean, I know you guys seen it already on the channel, but like an in-depth type video. I've been thinking about doing that, taking it to the wash, maybe doing something like that. But if you guys see this, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment anything you guys want to see. Truck wise, you know, I do have 2 motorcycles right here. I know you guys don't really like those. That's the pink one. It's my girl's, but I know you guys don't really like that type of content, but you know, just comment anything you guys want to see, and thanks for watching. Peace. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna start it tomorrow in the morning just to make sure everything's good and it's not the alternator. So as of right now, it was the battery. So yeah, peace. Damn, so it's been like a week. Nah, it's been like what, 2 weeks? It's been like 2 weeks since the truck's been broke down. One. Which one you guys think's the new one? Or the good one, not new one? Well, it's not that one. That one looks way better than this one, but we're gonna throw this hoe in, see if that fixes our problem. Because I said it might be the battery, and it definitely wasn't the battery. So let's go throw this one in and see what it does. Alright, got my professional recorder. I'm going to show you guys how. If you guys don't know how to take an alternator off, you do these steps but in reverse, because I'm putting it back on. So you guys probably don't even want to see this, but oh well. So it'll go like this. Make sure you're looking through the camera. Like that. It'll go like that. There's a bolt hole here, bolt hole there. I'm gonna slide this in here. Somehow, some way. Damn, you got a mallet or something. God damn. It was this hard to get out, I know that, but yeah. Hold on guys, intermission. I need the mallet. Alright, so we hit this crap with a mallet, and I want to say it's in, but these bolts are kind of bent, so I don't know yet. I'd use an impact, but it don't feel like it. Now we got this bolt, little 10 mil, goes on here for the power cable. If I can get it backwards. Then we tighten that up real good. Then there's this plug that plugs into it right here. Alright, so it's been a few days. Haven't started it today. What you guys last seen was me plugging in the alternator, and the alternator that you guys seen was the wrong one. Plug was different, that's why I cut it off right there. So we're going to see if this hoe starts, because yesterday I couldn't get it to start. Well, I had to jump it, is what I'm saying. The hoe starts right up. You know, we always had that check engine light, but you see, everything's all good. Let me show you guys. Look how ghetto this is. Zip tie. Hold on. Fuck. Brand new. What was wrong with the other one was the plugs were different. That plug that you seen, it was a little 2-prong, but the alternator that we were putting in was like a 4-prong or whatever. So, you know, all in all, I'm probably gonna name this video battery or alternator, something like that. Come to conclusion, it was a freaking alternator. First time changing one of those. I've never done it, so but yeah, if you guys liked the video, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said earlier in this video, probably gonna do a video on this truck, everything inside out. But that should be all for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.